Hi, I'm Samantha Christofferson, and I'm co-founder of KW Professional Organizers. I'm going to take you through how to build out a nice colorful divider tab in your bullet journal. So get your journal. I'm going to show you something that's going to look pretty much like this, that I've essentially put in a black. I actually messed up on the page that's on behind this. So what I did was take the opportunity to be able to put a divider in and show an index page. So anywhere I flip my page open to, I've got this index on the side. So in case I forget what something means, or someone else is trying to decipher my code millions of years from now, they'll actually have an index key right here on the side. But I'm just going to show you what it's like to put the divider inside your journal. And you can, again, decorate it any way you choose. But basically, I've got this nice piece of paper. What I'm going to do to make sure that I've got the nice size, I'm going to fit that colored piece of paper in on top and line it up with those pages. And then I'm going to shut the book over top of it. I'm going to draw a line that indicates the outside line and make sure this is nice and tight over, and then draw another one. Okay, so now I know that this is going to be the size a sheet of my paper. If I want to make a divider, maybe I want to cut a little corner tab out from the side because I know it's outside the book. And then I'm just going to cut following that line. I'm not really too into perfection. So again, I've cut my divider tab. Now I'm going to take my glue stick. This is like an art attack for an adult, and it's fun. I'm going to glue my corners. I don't need too much. Just the edges so that it doesn't pop out later on in life. Fold up my glue stick. Any kind of glue will work. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't use something that you love. So I'm going to decide I'm going to put this over page 70. Okay, because that's where I want to. I'm just going to set the piece of paper in, knock it flat on there. So it's kind of a cool, kind of hipster kind of color. I don't know, hippy dippy. Now when I close my book, I've got a nice tab on the side. Maybe I want to write that this is where my trackers begin. I'm going to write track. And that way I know this section of the book, this is where I'm going to draw all of my trackers inside of that. And then I can go back to my index page and mark it as well. And just say that page 70 are trackers. So now it's in my table of contents. I have a little tab on the side, and I've added a little bit of color, which I can of course decorate or go over top of, but it sticks out on the side and it's nice and easy to see.